Three, two, one.
YouTube, welcome to the channel. Welcome back. If you hadn't subscribed yet, I would ask you to please do so. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of this. Just going through today some of the insides of SHG and to show you what you don't want to be missing. So appreciate you being here, and let's get started. Hey, I just got to thinking today, and so I wanted to just do this video, put this together. You know, I post on here about this business, but who on here really would like to have their own business and be able to help people and be able to save tons of money, okay, every single day? I mean, this is what you could do. Now this is the SHG homepage right here, okay? Now, so I wanted to show you some of these savings. Well, the savings are pretty awesome. So once you join, you get these savings on fuel, which I know is terribly high right now. Insurance, I've saved over $4,000 with insurance already. Legal, vacations through our special travel engine that we have. Save on groceries through coupons. Save on healthcare, so your benefits, and you get discounts on top of that. They send you a little benefits card. It's very cool. You can get free roadside assistance, which is pretty awesome. You can save money on new and used vehicles. Very cool. Save money on, you know, today everybody's dining out, right? Everybody's eating out. You can save a ton of money on eating out, depending on where you go and places that you're going into. Dental benefits, same thing, discounted. You can get discounts through them. It's pretty cool. They send you a card, and they also send you a booklet with the providers in your area that accept that for the discount. So it's pretty cool. Travel again here. The travel engine is awesome. I looked up a couple trips just kind of planning for future and seeing what they were. And I mean, it was 50% off where I was looking at in Vegas. There were some in Florida that were 50% off, 40% off, 30% off, which Florida, I mean, shout out to Florida right now. I know they're having some tough times. Hope everybody stays safe over there. But they'll get it cleaned up, and we'll eventually want to go there. You can save on your domains for your business. You can save on all kinds of shopping, electronics, groceries, so many things I can't even think about. There's a whole list. Vision. So your vision benefits, you can get discounted vision benefits. So glasses and all that good stuff. Hotels. So kind of falls into the travel. Okay. Huge savings. And then savings on your taxes, or actually if you come in at the top level, you get a free tax service. So that's all done for you, right? So right here, you see our mission statement. We want to help 1 million families become debt free. And that is through savings and also through you making money, because you can make money with this, right, in residuals. So very cool. I just wanted to give you a quick look here at this site, but then it doesn't stop there. So you're also going to go into our team website for our team. So this is a special site that our team has, full of training, full of instructional videos, everything done for you from us. So this is a turnkey business in a box, right? So it's pretty cool. It's amazing the things that are in here and the things that are done. I'm going to go through this fairly quickly. I've got some more in-depth videos on my YouTube channel. If you want to go over there, you can look it up. It's moneymanjw.com. That's my YouTube channel. Go over there, check that out, see what you think. I'm going to run through these real quick here just to kind of show you what you're getting whenever you come into our team with SHG. Now, this is just our team This is not available for everyone in that company, but we play to win, right? So first of all, you're going to get training on how to set up your links as soon as you come in. Here they all set up. We've got VSLs set up for you. So this is all ready to go. Here's your links ready to go. All you'd really need to go and do at that point is go and purchase yourself a domain, which honestly, a domain's anywhere from $9 to $12 a year. So, it's $1 a month. I don't think that's going to kill anybody. Go and help their business. Okay. So we show you how to set that up right here. We show you how to promote using short form videos. Okay. Go through the whole thing. There's PDFs in here. There's exactly what you need to do to promote this system and get it out there. And again, it's about helping people. Okay. So, I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea and just think that I'm trying to suck you in here. This is a system to help people save money so that you can be more financially stable in the future. And that's what I want for you. That's what I want for myself. That's what our team wants for everybody on the team. And that's what our team wants for everybody, because why shouldn't everybody have that? It's possible. And this is how you do it. Okay. So we give you training on even DMs and how to get those sales. That's all in here. One down, how to effectively use Facebook. So this platform right here, there's a full training on Facebook groups, how to set those up, how to do posts, and how to respond to DMs and things like that. That's all in here and ready to go for you. So all the training is here. Now, once you get in, we don't want you to just come in and cram all this training in. You're going to want to take your time and go through this training. Okay. Go through it very thoroughly. Take a few days and get through it. Because it's not a race. Okay. That's one thing you have to keep in mind. This is not a race once you get into this business. It's a marathon. You stay in it, you stay consistent, and you will see results. I promise you, you will see results if you stay consistent and do what you're being instructed to do. That is how it's done. Okay. So we show you how to promote on YouTube. There's a full series of how to promote on YouTube, how to make your videos, your keywords, how to rank. Everything is on here and ready to go for you. And this is videos, and there's PDFs in here too. Let me click off of that one. So you can see right here, setting up your channel. So every step by step, you're going to get, and this is all free. This is as soon as you sign up and you sign up with our team. So if you sign up with me, you get this for free. Now nobody else has this. This is special for our team. I'll say that again because it's pretty impressive that this has been put together to help people. So there's even a training in here on promoting on Craigslist. Bill's a Craigslist expert, so his training is on here on how to do that. Right here, we've got set it and forget it traffic. So if you're looking for a traffic source, this is one that I use quite a bit because it's really good converting traffic. So I've always got traffic running through TA. So my suggestion would be, once you come in, I would go ahead and get this. It's fairly inexpensive for what you get because it does convert. There's a lot of traffic sources out there that are cheaper, but that's what you get. Okay. If you go pay for cheap, crappy service, that's what you get. All right. Keep that in mind when you're coming into this. So we even tell you exactly what to do once you sponsor someone, what to send them, how to place them, and how to kind of get them going, which is this. Okay. You send them here. This is how they get going. This is their training. That's another reason this is done, because we want this to be able to be a business that you can set it up, you can promote it and do your promotions. And that's all you have to worry about. Run your business. Okay. Bringing in new people isn't a big struggle and a lot of training because it's all done. It's right here. They go through this training sequence and they're shown every single thing step by step, exactly what to do. All right. So we come here to the recap and you go through just a recap. And then here's for some more advanced people. So if you're an advanced marketer already, there's some options in here that you can take advantage of. If you don't want to do some of the things that we're doing as the team, because as it's set up right now, even all your follow-up emails and everything, they're all done for you. Okay, they're written, they're sent out on your behalf. They are all tied to your marketing link when they go out. So you can rest assured those are all going out and they're representing you. So guys, leave me a comment. If you're interested in taking a look at this, you've got nothing to lose, everything to gain. This is such an amazing system and an amazing company. Well, here, shoot, we're having some contests going on right now. You can see here on the screen. I didn't even mention those. I want to say that the top prize winner was 5,000. Yeah, it was $5,000. So, and I think all the top winners on that contest was all from our team. I believe there might have been one in there that wasn't, but I think they're all from our team. Let me go. Actually, I can look. The majority. So he isn't and he isn't, but everybody else, yeah. So that should really say something about being in the right place, and it just says a lot about the company as far as I'm concerned. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I know there's a lot to what I appreciate it, and leave me some comments below. Reach out for the info. I'll get it to you. Let's get you in here. Let's get you set up and let's get you going. All right. See you guys.